Before we get too far into the MSP side of sales, marketing, and customer success, I want to talk about something that spans every industry. Forrester does a ton of research on this, and they've created something they call the B2B revenue waterfall. This is business to business sales in a nice, clean package. And Forrester kind of helps us explain this outside of the traditional sales funnel that you may have seen other places in your sales journey. Traditional sales funnel is just prospect working our way down through to somebody who might buy our product after they've been through a demo or two. We're also going to see that as they start to break out those targeted opportunities, the folks who we have the opportunities to earn money from, new acquisitions are only a quarter of it.